from vegetables that they usually get as part of the international food supply. Extremely simple. They wear natural fibers. They live in natural structures. Very few chemicals in their world.
So they just eat fish and blubber, like a staple of their diet.
That is about 90% of their diet, if I'm not mistaken. Those are traditional diet.
Are we sure that those fish are healthy and chemical free?
No, now we're sure that they're not. Interestingly, when you visit Inuit country, it is obviously the most beautiful, pristine, white landscape you could possibly see. It's snow on snow, it's snow falling. And it turns out that the highest concentration of dioxin, PCBs, and many other organic compounds measured anywhere on Earth in a living thing are found in the breast milk of Inuit women. Because unfortunately, organic pollution tends to stick to fat. Stuff like dioxin, DDT, that stuff that you use from mosquitoes that kills the shells, just because it sticks to fat, and so the mama bird puts a lot of fat into the egg to keep the high energy content for the hatchling, and that's what was eroding the shell of the egg. DDT, dioxin, PCBs, a number of organic compounds that are pollutants, they tend to stick to fat. Because they eat blubber, they get it in their diet because of this. It's called the grasshopper effect. New vocabulary term for you. Which 6.1. Study goal number 2032. You know how to do that? So, interestingly, your pollution doesn't stay put. Some of your pollution does. Some of your pollution sinks. You might have heard that like carbon monoxide tends to settle. Is that right? Carbon monoxide? Anybody know? Dioxide, I don't know. Anyway. Back to me. Some of your pollution gets carried into this high altitude conveyor belt and deposited far away. There are 6 of the conveyor belts anywhere you are on the planet. You're in one of the 6. All the Earth has 6 circulatory cells that take low altitude air up to the upper atmosphere and deposit it somewhere else. We'll discuss these later. I'll explain how these work in another class in unit 8 or 9 or something. But for now, take my word for their existence. And notice that they are at 0, 30, 60, 90. So poles, 60, 30 equator, all the way back down. Look at what we have at 60 degrees north. Ocean, ocean, ocean. The biggest small city in the world, Ushuaia. Ocean, 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 ocean. Little tippity tip of some random New Zealanders, and that's it. 60 degrees south just takes a bunch of water vapor to the South Pole. But 60 degrees north, Pacific Northwest, Great Lakes Basin, New England, much of industrialized Europe, Eastern Europe, whatever that is, and a bunch of Asia. I don't have to know. I'm an American. You can kind of imagine that 60 degrees north is probably the dirtiest air on the planet. Industrial Europe, the Great Lakes Basin, and Asia. What else is left, like as far as air pollution? And look at this. From 60 degrees north, air pollution goes grasshopper effect to the North Pole, where it makes snow, and snow melts and goes into the ocean, and ocean water goes into plankton, and plankton are eaten by blah, 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 into the fat of the stuff that the Inuit eat. We're killing them. USA! Yeah, this is like the most beautiful example of that global interconnectedness, although it's not that beautiful if you're an Inuit.
How many amulets are there?
Oh, who cares? Just a couple. I don't know. Not too many. Yeah.
So basically linguists don't really agree, but some say that it comes from words that sound like Eskimo, that meaning he eats it raw.
For the fish.
Or eat something raw, yeah. And then other people say it means he ties his shoelaces. And then,
They do.
either way, it's become